Itong onerous transfer, yung gratuitous transfer, at saka yung transfer tax. So, yung onerous transfer is yung sale. Pagka nagbenta ka, yun yung tinatawag na onerous transfer. Tapos yung tax na makukuha mo from the sale, yun yung income tax. Diba? Pero pag sinabi mo naman gratuitous transfer, yun yung wala kang profit. Wala kang profit na kukuha. So, yung tax na makukuha mo dun is transfer tax. O yung sinasabi nila, pag gratuitous transfer o walang profit, transfer tax yun. Kung may dalawa kang gratuitous transfer, dalawa yung transfer tax mo. Ganun ka tinataxan, depende sa mode of transfer na kinabibilangan mo. Well, mostly are onerous. Mostly are onerous transfer. So, income tax yung common. Bira lang yung gratuitous. So, yun yung mga bagong natututunan natin ngayong araw. So, yun lang po.